Now I need to go in a while, though. Hi there, Miss. Is the show going on today? No, it's going on Wednesday. It's Monday. Oh, yeah. Okay. I'll go out the door. We're going to the line again. I'll just stay here with the girls. Yeah, I'm gonna look at their magazines too. These are very cool magazines. Mom, why is it on Wednesday, not tomorrow? We already know what to play. Oh, we know how to play it, so we know how to do it. Oh, we just need to practice. Okay. Why would you ask this to me then? I don't know. What was that noise? I was just gonna see what that noise was. What can it be? Is it coming from my bedroom? I'm gonna go and see if it's coming from my bedroom. Must be Baby Yoda. Baby Yoda, was that you? Baby Yoda, was it you? Baby Yoda, talk. Baby Yoda, I told you to talk. It wasn't Baby Yoda then. What could it be then? Maybe my cat. Did you make that noise? Did you make the noise? I'll show you again. Did you make that noise? Did you make the noise? Did you make the noise? No? Okay. Who can it be? The evil dolls are here. They're staying there. Okay, that's what made the noise. The evil dolls. So what can it be? I don't know. Maybe I need to head to here again and just do stuff, and maybe then they will go away. Maybe they will. Okay, maybe they will. Yeah, let me go and check if they're still there. I'll check if they're still there. I'll check if they're still there, okay? I just bend in first. They're not there. What do we do? What do we do? Hang on. Okay, I don't know where they went. Where could they be? I don't know where they can be. Maybe behind this chair. Guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, hit the thumbs up, subscribe. Bye!